Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to fix any problem that you might be having with the Shopify web view in your mobile phone. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do to be able to fix this is to edit your store. And to edit your store, we want to go to the shopify.com website right here. This is the official website where we want to log into our account where our store is. So after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can see you can get started adding products. Here on the left side of the screen, we can find all the sections we can access, such as orders, customers, content, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can fix any problem we might be having with the mobile view. So guys, as you can see, how to edit mobile view without affecting desktop view. This is something that has already been asked on the community website of Shopify, and here is a Shopify helper that's going to help us do this. As you can see, we need to go into Shopify admin, go to online store and themes. So let's go back to the official website right here and find the online store right here, the left side of the screen. Under online store, we can now go ahead and open up themes. It's going to open up this right here. So after that, you want to click on the customize button for the theme you are using. So here is our theme. We can go ahead and select customize right here. After clicking on customize, this is now going to open up a new page. Within the sections editor, navigate to the section or element you want to customize for mobile view. So here you can find any element that you want to edit, announcement bar, header, whatever you want to edit for mobile view, and look for specific mobile settings or options provided by your theme. So as you can see, this may include options to hide or show certain elements, adjust sizes, and modify styling for mobile devices. So here you can go ahead and get started in editing your announcement bar. Here you can go and find any options that you have for your announcement bar. And here you'll be able to find any options such as your custom CSS that you can edit for your mobile view, theme settings, and so on to get your desired effect. But yeah guys, basically that's what you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.